guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we will explore all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, amenities, the nearby attractions, and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Which is the good? A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen like room size, bed type, room amenities, facilities, and features, etc. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 8. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are